In this video, we'll be talking about the Ninja DCT451 12-in-1 Smart Double Oven, a powerful and innovative kitchen appliance that's redefining what countertop cooking can do. I have provided the link to this oven in the description below at the best price. Now, let's get into what makes this Ninja oven truly special. The first thing you'll notice is the FlexDoor design, which allows you to use the top section as a separate mini oven for quick snacks or small meals, or open the full door to access both the top and bottom ovens at once. This setup lets you cook two different dishes at the same time, each with their own temperature and cooking mode, perfect for busy households or when hosting guests. Another impressive feature is the FlavorSeal technology, which ensures that smells and flavors don't mix between the two ovens. That means your garlic roasted chicken won't affect your baked dessert, keeping every dish tasting exactly the way it should. On top of that, Ninja's Smart Finish system allows you to sync both ovens so that different meals can finish cooking at the same time, eliminating the stress of timing and coordination. The oven also comes equipped with a smart cook system featuring a built-in thermometer. It constantly monitors food temperature, so you don't have to keep checking manually. Whether you're roasting, air frying, or baking, this feature ensures perfectly cooked results every time. You'll find 12 cooking functions built in, from baking and broiling to air frying, dehydrating, and even pizza mode. The top oven uses rapid convection for crisp, quick cooking, while the bottom oven doubles as a full-featured air fryer and convection oven. This makes it incredibly versatile for daily use, whether you're reheating leftovers or preparing a full family dinner. In terms of performance, the Ninja DCT451 is about 65% faster than traditional ovens, which saves both time and energy. Its large 12-liter capacity is ideal for families, easily fitting a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 pounds of wings. Plus, the stainless steel finish gives it a sleek, premium look that fits beautifully in any kitchen. On the downside, the unit is a bit heavier at around 31 pounds and takes up more counter space than a standard toaster oven. But considering its power, flexibility, and speed, it's a worthy trade-off for anyone who wants an all-in-one smart oven that can truly do it all.